Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Alike. Alike means in same or similar way. For example, they dressed alike in black pants and jackets. They dressed alike in black pants and jackets. Synonyms. Similarly, the same, just the same.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. The remnant of the table fought alike. Now, repeat after me. The remnant of the table fought alike. The second exemplar. I knew this was true, for they dressed much alike, especially in their war gear. Now, repeat after me. I knew this was true, for they dressed much alike, especially in their war gear. The third exemplar. I find it a little disconcerting when adult twins dress and style themselves alike. Now, repeat after me. I find it a little disconcerting when adult twins dress and style themselves alike.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The original name for butterfly was flutterbee.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.